Villagers caught a young man and assaulted for stealing rubber sheet and later handed over to toTakarjala police. The name is Tapas Debarma. Incident occurred at Jampujala block area. The arrested person was presented to the court on Saturday. A Tripura youth was caught by the villagers and assaulted when he was stealing the rubber seat on his vehicle. His name is Tapas Debarma. toTakarjala police went to the spot and arrested the person on receiving the information. The villagers said youths are becoming drug abused, which is why they are forced to become thieves and robbers in order to buy narcotics so they can eat. There was a stir in the area over this incident. It was also learned that another accused person escaped from the incident. A case was registered against the arrested youth and he was presented to the court on Saturday. Bureau Report, Chini, Khorang.